Mr. Ray, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And I believe that we have Ms. Alt joining us from the Horwath Law offices. Let me see. Yep, there's Ms. Alt. Ms. Alt, good morning.
And we are here for the arraignment on Mr. Ray.
Thank you. So yeah, Mr. Ray, we've got, let's see here, 4 matters before the court this morning. 25L000045, 20L0096 are court for review. 20L0429 is before the court for trial conference, and 25L0429 for the court for arraignment. Ms. Alling, for case number ending in 4292, are you prepared to proceed with Mr. Ray's arraignment on those new charges at this time?
Yes, Your Honor, we will waive formal reading of the complaint, ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty. I did go through the rights with him. Also, his financials, I believe he qualifies for our appointment.
Thank you very much. Mr. Ray, just for the record, I want to confirm your true name is Terrence Javon Ray. Your date of birth is March 5th, 1986.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ray, in this matter that the court was referring to and Ms. Alt was just speaking to, you've been charged with criminal trespass in the first degree and 1 count of resisting arrest. The court will waive formal reading of the criminal complaint as requested by Ms. Alt. The court will find that there is probable cause to support the filing of those 2 charges and will enter pleas of not guilty to each count as this time as requested. The court also notes that the Horwath Law offices are attorney of record for Mr. Ray on the other 3 matters, and the court will grant Ms. Alt's motion for direct appointment under case ending in 4292 at this time. Court will next hear from Mr. Graham regarding the prosecution's recommendation on pretrial conditions of release.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, a review of Mr. Ray's history obviously has a very long criminal history that doesn't date back, dates back some time. I believe the earliest actual criminal matter dates back to 2016, 2017. But of concern to the city, Your Honor, is Mr. Ray was before this court on Monday on the 4269 matter, where there was at least probable cause to believe that he had committed trespass in the first degree and resisting arrest, as well as some drug matters. And then fast forward to yesterday, where he was arrested for trespass in the first degree and resisting arrest. Where he went, and in this particular case, he had crawled through a window of an unknown individual and was found then walking out of that apartment after officers responded to the event. The actual tenant of that apartment is actually in custody at Pierce County Jail. Officers were able to confirm that Mr. Ray was not supposed to be in there. In fact, he didn't have any idea who Mr. Ray was. So we're seeing a repeated behavior pattern in a very short period of time. And so based on that, Your Honor, the city just has concerns that we're going to continue to see him again. Never mind, obviously, prior warrant activity and things of that nature and other prior criminal behavior. Since it has been so fast, such a quick recidivism, the city is asking for bail to be set. And we are asking that bail be set in $1,000 on each matter and that he be ordered to stay away from the Twin Oaks apartments.
Stay away from where?
Twin Oaks apartments. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Alt?
And Your Honor, in speaking with him, it sounds like Mr. Ray has lived in Washington his whole life. He has lived in the same home for 22 years with his parents. He did inform me that he is currently in outpatient treatment, which I'd like to have him be able to continue. So I would ask at this point that he be PR'd and that the case be set on a date with his assigned attorney, who I believe is Miss. I'm just double checking my file here. I can look that up while the court makes this decision. Oh, it's Miss Capone's case.
Certainly. Okay. And give me just one moment, please.
Honestly, that's not true, but we can check on my uncle's house. I didn't know he was incarcerated. I went to go check on him. That's what I usually do. And
I would advise you not to make any statements. My understanding was this was a family member's house, Your Honor, and that's the only information I have. But Mr. Ray, I would advise you not to make any statements.
okay. Well, not to continue with working my outpatient as well.
All right. The court has reviewed Mr. Ray's criminal history, and the court has reviewed Mr. Ray's criminal history quite recently, as even before today, as Mr. Graham indicated, Mr. Ray was before the court for an arraignment on the case ending in 4269 earlier this week, 2 days ago on Monday. The court is also refreshing its recollection as to the warrant history. The court notes that at this time there appears to be 3 outstanding warrants out of 3 other courts that are currently active and outstanding at this time. The court is going to impose bail. The court believes that Mr. Ray unfortunately poses a risk to commit new offenses if released. He was released on Monday of this week, 2 days ago. One of the court's standard conditions was that Mr. Ray would have law-abiding behavior, and unfortunately, there is now probable cause to believe that Mr. Ray has violated that condition, and the court is concerned that he will violate that condition again. And so the court is going to impose a total bail amount of $5,000 cash or bond in this.
$5,000? Why? Why so high?
Mr. Ray, the court is concerned that there's a risk that you would commit new offenses if you were.
No, I won't, Your Honor. That's the thing, Your Honor. I swear I'm not. I won't. Your Honor, I went to go check on my uncle. That's why I said, why so high? Your Honor, I can do 200, please, Your Honor. Please don't do so high, please.
Mr. Ray, I'm going to set your matter back before the court pretty quickly. We're going to see you back here on Monday at 1 p.m. But sir,
Your Honor, look, I have to have court tomorrow, Your Honor. I can't miss that court. I can't be in custody for that court date, Your Honor. I have to be out by tonight.
Mr. Ray, I'm not unsympathetic, sir, but the court has concerns here given the recency of this activity.
I understand, but
I'm unsympathetic. I'm officially unsympathetic.
could you please have some? I understand. Look, but I would like to check on Uncle, Your Honor, please. Not this time. I have court tomorrow. I have to make that court tomorrow. I have to, please, Your Honor, I have to make that court tomorrow. Please have to be something affordable. And then, I cannot miss that court day tomorrow. I have to be out by tonight. My parents are not going to do that, Your Honor. And I will not, once I get out, my parents bail me out, they're going to lock me in the house anyways. I'm not going to go anywhere. That part. So
Mr. Ray,
my parents will bail me out and they'll keep me in the house, won't let me go anywhere. That part. $200 we can do. But
Mr. Ray, the court has made its ruling. So the bail amount is going to be $5,000 cash or bond. We will see you on Monday.
Ah, that was fun. I have to thank Zach over at Lot Nerds Unite for that. He sent it to me yesterday. I didn't get to till now. I had some things come up. Thank you for coming out.